The outermost regions of Europe, geographically far-flung but right at the heart of those drivers of our economy, research and innovation. Being rich in biodiversity and cultural heritage, the unique geology and location of these regions provides Europe with opportunities to push back the boundaries of our knowledge, helping us to find new ways ahead to deal with the key challenges facing us, such as globalization and climate change. The research itself and the data it throws up are shared, bringing forward not only new answers, but also strengthening ties between cooperating regions and countries. The Azores, an archipelago located in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, is above the conjunction of three tectonic plates, making the islands a hotbed of seismic activity. This feature of the island's geology makes it a prime place for research and exploitation of geothermal sources of energy, providing the islands with a much-needed alternative to their dependence on oil. Hot water and steam are taken from the ground and channeled to power stations. The result? The generation of electricity is so efficient that other projects to increase the use of green electricity have been inspired. In the Canaries, the focus is also on water. Here the issue is water management and recycling, along with the development of desalination techniques. For almost 40 years, the islands have been suffering from an inadequate water supply, so research is in full swing. Thanks to mathematical modelling, scientists have established that Tenerife's underground waters were being seriously threatened by pesticides. All the techniques and data will be shared with other regions. The results of research conducted on the Canaries can be transferred and used, both within and beyond the EU. With Madeira and the Azores facing the same problems, networking amongst research teams of the archipelagos has stimulated cohesion among these Atlantic island regions and created new spin-offs in research. While some examine water tables underground, others are looking to the stars. Very few places on Earth provide the exceptional conditions needed by modern astronomy, which is why two major observatories on Tenerife and La Palma have attracted some of Europe's best solar telescopes. The new European Solar Telescope, now being built, will give us the chance to plot solar activity, which has such an effect on our environment here on Earth. Guadeloupe, the heart of the Caribbean Antilles arc, has a rugged topography and a tropical climate. The economy is mainly based on agriculture, industry, and tourism. Research into improving the production of crops and the use of greenhouse cultivation boosts traditional sources of income, but the archipelago is also the site of innovative scientific research. "90% primary forest," French Guiana is a paradise for scientists interested in how a virgin rainforest functions, its biodiversity, and the elements of its ecosystem. Scientists at the National Centre for Scientific Research in the Nurag Nature Reserve are putting together a comprehensive picture of the ecosystem, improving our understanding of how it works, and giving us the means to preserve and manage natural spaces sustainably. Madeira, 1,861 meters at its highest peak. The island has a diverse relief, with high rainfall, especially on the north coast. Hills and water make this a prime location for hydroelectric projects, which take advantage of the island's topography, collecting water from the damp, mountainous north and transferring it south. What makes Madeira's hydroelectric plant so interesting is the fact that it is reversible, meaning it can pump water both to and from reservoirs, making it possible to produce electricity all year round. The efficient, flexible system ensures minimum water loss and a greater protection of the island's natural resources. On the Caribbean island of Martinique, biodiversity is attracting attention. Martinique is a natural reservoir of plant species, both agricultural and medicinal. Research into crop management, both for banana and sugarcane production, are growing areas of innovation. Martinique is home to a rich diversity of pharmacological plants, some of whose properties have been tested by research. Plants used in traditional medicines are coming under the microscope. 30 domestic diseases have been shown to respond to these medicinal plants, providing innovative solutions more in harmony with cultural traditions. The island of Réunion is still considered a tropical paradise, a paradise under threat. The impact of global warming will be felt keenly here. But the islanders are not complacent. They are meeting the challenge head-on. Réunion has committed itself to being energy independent by 2025, mainly through the use of photovoltaic panels. Given its topographical and geographical features, the goal is an ambitious one. The island is on the cyclone path. Winds can reach up to 280 kilometers an hour. Réunion is also home to one of the world's most active volcanoes. It is innovative thinking that is finding the way around these obstacles. Over 13,000 square meters of roof space is now home to panels. Old landfill sites are also providing much-needed surface area. To supplement the panels, windmills that can collapse in high winds are also playing their role. A tropical island in the Caribbean, St. Martin is a dream destination for eco-tourists. The island's luxury tourism industry is growing thanks to the richness of its wildlife, both at sea and on land, protected by the St. Martin National Nature Reserve on the northeastern part of the island. This offers a unique space for education and appreciation for the island's natural resources. Immense solar eruptions, microorganisms found in raindrops, from sunspots to spotted frogs, through research into renewable sources of energy and the management of water resources. Structural funds to the tune of €5 billion between 2007 and 2013 are helping Europe's outermost regions to turn topographical and geographical challenges into assets which can be an example to us all.